Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I just woke up. I was up till midnight last night, but I am good to go, and I am super excited to go couponing today. Today is like the first day where I'm actually super excited to go couponing. Number one, we're getting a lot of inserts, which I haven't gone outside and got my newspaper yet. Number two, I already kind of skimmed through the coupons to print, and there are a ton of coupons. So they did have Revlon Reset, so I'm printing that off again because you never know when you find some Revlon deals. They did have a couple other things reset, like this I printed off yesterday and it reset again on me. For that, the multivitamins reset, which I'm not going to print those off, but if I have to, I'll go back. The L'Oreal Paris reset on me. The coffee reset on me. So they're not like hot items, so I'm not going to print it. But these two were available last night to print the Brita coupons, but I'm not going to print any Brita quite yet. L'Oreal Paris, that reset. Here's some Biotene notes for toothpaste and mouthwash. So I'm going to print that off because there's a deal on Ibotta. And I'm going to Walmart tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to Walmart tomorrow to do an Ibotta haul. So I'm going so fast. Now, I do print my coupons off swagbucks.com because I get a point for every coupon that I print. And then when you redeem them, you get 25 points. So I save those points up to get good gift cards. Perel, I always print that off. Here we got $1 off of 2 Airwick. I never get Airwick coupons, so I'm just going to print that off. Tidy Cats, $2. I have a ton of cat litter, so I am not going to print that off. But here we got $1 off of Vino Baby, but here is a $2.50 off of Vino Baby. So I'm going to print that off. 75 cents of Windex is an okay coupon. Here we got Welch's, $1 off of 2. Huggies, $2 off coupons. Now I'm going to try to do some diaper deals, so we got that. Right Guard, printing that off. Here we got $1 off CoverGirl. It's not the greatest coupon, but hey, Pull-ups, we got $2 off. Eucerin, we got a $2 off coupon. 50 cents off Huggies. I'm going to print that off because I know there's going to be some deals coming up soon for that, so I'm going to print that off. Oil infused body lotion, I'll just print that off. CoverGirl, $2, $2. Here's the in-wash body wash or body lotion there. Now here we have $2 off body wash. That's actually a pretty decent coupon. And then here's off $1 off the hand soap. I'm going to print those off because you never know. Here we got $1 off Playtex. Oh, I just skipped some. Carefree. Listerine. I'm so excited to print those off. I tried printing it off the website and it will not let me print. So we got that going on. Here is $4 off Schick razors. Stay free. I'm printing a ton of coupons, you guys. This is awesome. Here we got $1 off Johnson, and then here is a $5 off 3 and a $2.50 off a 2. Awesome. Here is a $5 off a 2 hair dye. I think these are the most coupons I have ever printed ever. It's crazy. This reset for $1. I'm actually going to print that off because I think that's on sale at Walgreens this week, so we're going to print that off. Sorry if we're going a little fast, but you guys can print whatever you guys want. I have a coupon, or I have a printer where I can print as many coupons as I want. It lasts me about almost a year, so. But otherwise, yes, those are all the coupons to print. I'm printing 26 coupons. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome. I'm going to go run outside, get my newspaper. Also, don't forget to check Saving Star because they probably added a ton of deals, so it makes it to be a lot of freebies this week. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.